Okay, today we want to talk to you about the overriding principles, philosophies, and methods of RWND Nutrition. The first thing you have to know is that we believe that nutrition is a moving target, right? You ever wonder why it is that you're flying along, doing so good with some nutritional program that you've been doing sometimes for as long as like 15 or 20 years, and all of a sudden it doesn't work anymore? Or maybe you haven't found the one thing. You just plow and plow and plow, and you're trying to find this thing that works for you and you can't. 99.9% of the time, it's because nutrition is a moving target. Understand going into this, if you're not changing something quite often, this probably isn't going to serve you well.
The other philosophy that we believe in is that we are proponents of any healthy nutritional method. There are a lot out there. We have actually made some for you. So if you would like to follow those, we are totally on board with that. If not, there are others out there that work too. So as long as it is healthy. So there's, intermittent fasting, there's macros, there's Atkins, there's Whole30, there's a lot out there. If it works for you, then do it. And we love to support you in whatever you choose.
Now that we have those overriding philosophies out of the way, let's talk about the method. There are three things you need to know. Number one, know your calories. I know how popular it is to talk about if you do the right thing for you, like these Atkinites or the people that are doing the Whole30 and that. Doesn't matter. If you're eating just the right way for you, you can eat as much as you want and you'll never ever feel bad. That is a lie, and anybody who says different is selling something, okay? You still need to know your calories, and you'll need to stay within a certain caloric limit if you're to be healthy. And those of us that are trying to lose a little from time to time, we need to go under that caloric limit.
The second thing that you need to know about our nutritional method is know your macros. Macros, what are those? Those are macronutrients. So you have fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Those three things. And all you need to know is how much of those and how they affect you. So if you have a high protein diet, how does that affect you? If you live off a high carb diet, how does that affect you? High fat, all of those things affect everybody differently. So as long as you know that, you're good to go.
The last thing that you need to know about our nutritional method is number three, eat real food. Eat real food. Like, the more processed it is, the probably more inflammatory and damaging it is to your system. So if you eat things the way they were harvested or as close to the way they were harvested as you can, the more healthy they'll be for you.
To recap, our principles and philosophies of nutrition are: nutrition is a moving target, and we are proponents of any healthy nutrition method. Our method is know your calories, know your macros, and eat real food. If you guys have any questions about this, please let us know in comments. Also, if you want access to the PDF that you have for your nutrition plan, then go and look on your dash and it will be there. Also remember, share what you're doing. Go to the Facebook group and let everybody know what you're doing so we can all be a support for you.